Hey, hi, this is Mahesh Lakde, and my today's topic name is certifications are useless or not. Having certified don't means that person know each and everything. First, we will clear that, but we will get the clear picture on that. That person, like we can think about it like that person did some genuine effort and did something for in a cloud technology or whatever certification they done, that person have done something, and like we can understand the efforts for that, so that's why he got the certificate. Like the same time, certified does not mean that the person is a master in that technology. So he have done some study. Like many certificate required multiple theoretical studies and theoretical knowledge. At the same time, if it will be practical, that will be good. It will be more advantageable. And whenever you will some companies look for certified person only, but nowadays the situation is companies now complaining that they can't hire a qualified developers or qualified engineers. And so that's the real situation. And sometimes it happened that some certified developer or engineers complaining that they didn't get the job even they certified. Why this thing happened? And so how can we override this? So whenever whenever you do the certification, you will get the most thing theoretical, but along with that, if you do some practical as well, so that will more advantageable for you. And using theoretical knowledge, and you did the some certificate, so you can't survive in a real time or production job. So whenever you do the certification, that will be good thing. Along with that, you will do the practical, that will more advantageable for you. And if we think certified equal to qualified, then it's wrong thing. We can't say that thing. Or we should come out from this mindset that if person is certified, that means he will qualified. So that actually two things are different. And to master to any subject, you need to practice more and more. And as my personal opinion, that whenever getting certified is a sequential importance as a practical experience, so that both should be involved in certification. So what do you think about the same? Please note your opinion and comment it on like my channel or this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.